Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to block ads on Facebook. Let's launch the Facebook app. Then let's scroll through the feed. Let's find an ad. There you have it, Massimo Dutti. Let's say we don't want to see this ad anymore, right? I don't have nothing with it, but you want to click on the three dots next to the X sign, right? And then you have the option simply to hide ad. When you click hide ad, it will say that you never see this ad again. Okay, but let me show you that why this might not actually solve your issue, because this says that you're not gonna see this particular ad. But let's say if I don't want to see anything from this brand, anything from this account, anything from this company, right, then we have to have a different approach. Did you see the menu that we just got after we attempt to hide the ad? Facebook ad simply gives us additional options. We want to give them a feedback. Why we don't want to see the ad? Is it too repetitive? Is something that's not relevant to us, right? If you go back and pick another ad, for example, Auto Trader, right? Let's do something different. Let's say the ad in particular is something we don't like, right? So we can click show less. So in this example, the algorithm will get the message that, you know what, we're not going to show something similar to this account for a very long time. And then they're going to start bombarding you with something very different. So their goal is to find what else you like so they can keep sending you ads. But essentially, this is how you hide ads, you block ads. If you want to go to the actual account, if you click on Auto Trader, right, and then you click on the three dots on the side, you can actually block them. You can block the whole account that is promoting, that is running the ads. So then for sure you're not going to see any ad from them anymore. Because in the first option, when you just hide an ad, you just hide one ad campaign. This means that next new ad campaign could target you again. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.